Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Anastasia, Russian language teacher, and today I will tell you about the slang words that are popular now in Russia. And to be honest, I don't know many of them. Most of these words I've heard, but to be honest, I was not sure what does it mean. So today let's discuss. Also, what is interesting about these words that most of them are made from the English words, so probably you can even guess what these words mean. So I read some articles about this modern slang, and today I also will try to be more modern. I'm 27, I'm kind of young, but already don't understand teenagers. Yeah, they speak with their own words, and even not just teenagers. So let's start. Normis. I've heard it, but what does it mean? Normal? Like, it's like a normal person who is, adequate. Don't do any cringe things, just ordinary, normal person. It doesn't mean that this person is very boring, we just cannot say something bad about him or her. Next word is skoof. Skoof is a man who is older than 30 and don't care about the health, about the shape, how he looks like, don't do any sports. This person just watching TV shows, lying on the bed, no hobbies, never accept something new, new culture, modern things. Always think negatively, so don't be like this person. Sigma. Also, I've heard it but didn't know what is it. Sigma, as I understood, it is a person who is very charismatic, very active, responsible. If we speak about women, it's about independent women, successful. Simp, it is the person, it's a man who really in love with the girl and ready for everything for her, so buy her the presents, care about her. And this girl usually is very ordinary, nothing special about her, but this guy is really fell in love with her and even is ready, don't care about his own interests in this situation. Well, next word is tiltanуть. It's something about the game world. It's about the aggression, when person cannot control emotions, is very angry and aggressive in some situation because of something, cannot control his emotions. Well, now one interesting thing that is popular today in the Russian internet, there are a lot of funny videos about this topic, how women call men, and there are different types of men. And first of them is tubik, most popular. Who is it? Who is this person? It is a young man from 18 to 26 who is kind of thin and irresponsible, not ready for relationship, who don't care a lot, who love to manipulate, who is kind of like a child. But I don't know why, but girls fell in love with these guys. Well, next one is strich. Maybe typical man from Russian movies. He is kind of dangerous, So he's dangerous, he's about the criminal world. So next one is masik. It's the dream of all the women, if they are adequate, because he care about you, can help you with some work in the house, who care about your feelings, don't manipulate, buy you flowers, presents, can love you. Now will be something about what children really love. I don't know, is it dangerous for them or no? First word is hobby horsing. Guys, write in comments if children or not children, maybe teenagers, maybe adults in your country do this. Like it's like they imagine they are on the horse and riding on this wood with a head of horse. So Do they do this in your country or no? And another one is even more interesting. It's called quadrobery. Now I read about them a lot everywhere, that it become more and more famous in Russia nowadays. Like when children imagine their cats or other animals, they are walking like animals. Yeah, they even eat special food for dogs and cats and acts like these pets. They wear special stuffs to look like cats, so write in comments if children in your country do the same. Imbavi. I still don't understand what does it mean, guys. If you know, please explain me. How I read about this, that it is about game world again, when we speak about something not in balance, you know, too strong, too big, too much muscle, and it's about everything can be. Alt. It's a people who do video content and don't care about the views. They try to do something more cringe, strange, not adequate, and don't care about the opinion of other people. I think there are a lot of people like this now in the internet, so maybe I also should try to do something similar in my vlog. Elect people with a kind of stupid face. When you look at them and you understand that they are not very smart. Nike Pro. It's about the girls who try to show in the internet that they are doing sports, that they carry a lot about their body, they try to be ideal, wearing all these clothes, sport clothes that everyone could see every piece of their bodies, and really love to demonstrate their shape. Well, if the girl is in a good shape, why not to show it to the world? Proof. Доказательство. Well, you use this word in Russian, but we have the word доказательство. Why just not to use this word? Because it's understandable for everyone. Okay, maybe it's kind of, when you use these words, you look more cool. Well, and some abbreviations. МЧ. It's like молодой человек, in the meaning boyfriend, young man, but in Russia it means boyfriend. And LP, this is like a best friend or лучшая подруга. Unc were created from the English word uncle, so it's like a man who is already an adult, yeah, not too old, but already a man who try to look younger, you know, who act like he's very young, who use modern slang words and sometimes even don't understand what these words mean. So maybe today it is me, KFC boss. So if someone called you like this, don't be happy, it means you're kind of fat. So probably because you visit KFC restaurants a lot. Guys, write in comments, is there anything interesting about these words? Do you use any of them in your language? Maybe for you these words already not slang, just normal words that you use. And write in comments if you use words like this, and if you are interested in Russian, and if you are interested in learning Russian language, real Russian language with native, you can book a Russian language class with me. All the links in description to this video. You can write me and we discuss how we can plan our work. Have a good day, see you soon.